everyone, today me and my dad together are going to draw a turtle. Well, I think it could be a turtle because I do not really know. Let's start and figure out. First, draw a line. Make sure it's short. And here, draw a curve to the line like a rainbow. Now from here, draw a curve like that. Then here, draw a line like this. Then draw a smile from here like this. The little circle and another one. If you like, you could draw one and the other one on the other side. Then here, just some teeny tiny eyeballs. Now draw here down two legs and here connect them. And then here, draw the same thing and connect them. And here, draw just a line and a line there. And here, draw a line to here and like this, there. And here, draw lines like this, and then another one, another one. And a line like this, a line like that, a line like that, a line like that. Oh. Okay, now draw here like a slide, a slippy slide, and then bottom. And a line like this. And from here, just some lines like this. Just here, just some upper lines. Keep going up, make sure they go up. Now connect them. Next, draw some lines like we did down there. And then here, draw upper lines. And then connect them. This is its shell when it moves really slow. If like a predator comes, like to eat him, he hides there because he can't go fast. Actually, it's its home. I wonder where his living room is. Okay, at the top, make some more. Oopsie, that's just made it another way. Okay, let me just... Wait a minute. Just add that in background. But here I'll draw one of the backgrounds. Okay, are you ready? I'm going to draw its tummy. There's its tummy. Okay, you can massage it. He eats carrots and vegetables like that. Now we can color now. Yellow, and then we color the sun. My blue, I need my blue. Come here. Circles, circles, circles. Next, I need my brown. Yeah, I need my brown. I was thinking, what color do I need? What color? I'm gonna find my light green. I guess it's not here, so I'll just clear it. Wait. There it is. Now for our nails, I'll just color them brown. Wait, my dad, I think that's him, and he's like, black. But it's this turtle. I don't know who it is. Does your friend or you have a pet turtle? I'm gonna color this part red. And for peach, I'll just color this yellow. There, it's yellow. And, purple. Where's the legs? I'm coloring it in fiction, which is not real. Non-fiction is real. Okay, I'm going to choose what color I'll color this in. I'm going to look for a color I haven't colored, and it's not the same as the other color. I've colored it pink. I'll just color it pink. My hand's going, and it's going on my dad's paper. I need another pink. Let me look for another. I found it. It's another pink. Okay, I'm done. Now I'll wait for my dad, or I'll background, I guess. A little cloud. And let me do a teeny tiny cloud. And my black. Good and soft. I actually went out the lines. I have an idea. I'm going to get my yellow. But I guess it didn't work. It's like the white. There. I'm going to draw it like on some sand. How about that? Or it's on a table, I guess. A yellow table. There. So we're done. I'm just going to do something with my picture. It's a teeny tiny bird. Okay, I'm done. Should I tell you a story? Or I'll just tell you facts. A turtle, I guess. I wonder how much it weighs. Because it looks heavy. My story is, there was a long lizard. And he had a friend, turtle. The turtle and the long lizard. No, actually I tell you this one. Once upon a time, there was a bunny and a turtle. They wanted to do a race. So they started off the next day. They raced, and the bunny was front of the race, and he found a nice tree he could sleep on. So he slipped on the slide, and the turtle passed like this. There's the bunny. He passed slowly, and the bunny didn't hear, and they passed, and he went. And the bunny got up and started to hop. But he saw the turtle right there, and he was eating some yummy candies for his surprise. And he got a trophy. The end.